Hi there. So can you remember about a month ago, I got hold of this tomtoc gear and I've been using it since then and just thought I'd do a quick kind of feedback. So this is a T20 and it's like a grown-up's pencil case. And inside here, I carry cables and chargers and other bits and pieces, you know, the little adapters that you need if you're using laptops nowadays. This works really well and I've used it a lot. I can kind of cram everything that I need into it one way or another. And if it doesn't fit in here, basically I don't carry it. So I don't carry anything other than that now for all of my technical bits and pieces. And it's got Apple chargers and cables and paracetamol and one of those little Swiss Army card things. So that works really well. Pleased with that. Good addition. This is the T33, which is a sling, which I've not actually used, okay? It's not my kind of thing for when I travel so far. It's really useful because it's got kind of two zips on the outside, two zip lockers on the outside. So if you're traveling through the airport or you're traveling somewhere a bit dodge, it's small enough so you could put it under a jacket. But it's just, I've just not used it yet, really. I've got a couple of pens in there. And when I did travel with it, it's kind of just not my thing. Normally I travel with kind of a slightly bigger bag, like a messenger bag. That would be the kind of thing that I use. Now, the thing that is really good, that I've used a lot, this is the T66, which is a cross between a backpack and a rucksack. So it's got loads of padding on the back and it's got a duffel opening and it's got two pockets at the back so that I can use my laptop and also a screen. I carry a separate screen around with me and I've used this a lot and it's good where I travel and go through airports and railway stations and then throw stuff into the back of a hire car. Carrying a pull-along suitcase doesn't always cut it. And if you're traveling light, so I've done 5 nights of business travel with this, so I can fit in a pair of trainers and enough clothes to last me for a week. And you'll remember in the old video that I did, I said that I use packing cubes. And tomtoc came out with packing cubes for this that I actually went and bought. Okay, I paid for it, so I went and bought it. And they are molded, not molded, that would be the wrong word. They are designed so that they have the same profile as the bag. And these are quite neat. So the packing cubes that I use previously have all been a little bit ropey. And the zips are going and kind of like they're not been the greatest quality. Whereas these are really good quality. And they've got YKK zips and someone's put a bit of thought into how these work. So they've got carry bags, still got my tags on it. They've got carry bags and this one I think has got a compression feature onto it. So you can load it up and I need to take the tags off it. And you can load it up, extra load it, and then use that zip to compress it back in. And when you buy the compression packs or when you buy the packing cubes for this T66, you get 3 of them. So you get that one, you get that one, similar size. That one's 10 litres. This one's 8 litres. And this one's just a little one that you would put smalls in or something like that. And there's enough room in it so that when you put it all back in, you could fit a pair of trainers in the middle. And that's important for me because what I find when I'm traveling is that it's the shoes that take up the most space. So I could put that in it and then I could put that in it kind of quite nice and easily and probably still get a pair of trainers in there as well. So that worked really well. Now, the other thing is, I don't know whether I mentioned it on the other video that I did about this, is that it's got 2 pockets on the side. And in one, because I'm English, I carry an umbrella. And in the other one, it does fit a Nalgene. So only just, but it does fit a Nalgene in there. You're probably losing some space on the inside. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that tomtoc T66. I think the Packing cubes are good. If I was to tell them what to do next, I would say make this mesh more visible, because when you use packing cubes, you want to know what's in them and it not to be a surprise or you can't see it. I was actually going to get clear ones, but then I saw these come up and I thought I'd buy these. And yeah, they're good. They're expensive, but they're good. And yeah, I think that's about it. I think that's it on the packing cubes for tomtocs and for this tomtoc update. Hope that makes sense. It's a good bit of kit. The T66 is the one that you want. Take care. Bye.